Please subscribe and like us today. Thank you.
Okay, we're gonna remove the window and the corner panels here and flip the top back and show how all that functions. So basically all you have to do here is there's a little tab down here at the bottom, and you kind of have to pull that down and release that, and then kind of work this this panel here on the window out. So basically it's going to be a kind of a challenge, I think, but so we'll basically have to come back and we'll do that with two hands and show how that works. Okay, this side's a little looser over on the passenger side, so I can show you a little easier with one hand. The other side was tight. It's probably gonna be loose now, but you see you kind of get that loose, got that bottom part loose, and then we'll work on the bottom. And so I actually have Jack in the car. Jack, can you push down on this a little bit? So I don't think you're supposed to have to do this, but because it's so, there it goes. Because it's so new, and I don't know if you can see that, but basically we push down from the inside. So if you have a hand the first couple times, probably gonna have to stretch a little bit. And that's sort of the nature of the Jeep's soft tops. So I got this side over here, same thing, kind of just loosen this and then get this down, push down a little bit on that. Just trying to get it started. There we go. Okay, and then once we get all of that kind of broken loose for the back window, there, now the back window is free and we can slide it. Actually, I'm gonna slide it the other way. I can see it's kind of popping out there, which we probably pulled it a little bit too hard. I don't want to mess that thing up. Watch out, watch your fingers. Basically, just sort of slide this track over. I don't know if you can see that good or not. And then boom, that window's out. So that's the start. Now, next we have to get these corners off. All right, to get these little quarter panel things off, you kind of reach under here, there's a little opening, and you kind of reach down here and pull up on that, and you'll see it comes loose. Now, actually before this, I loosened this, I forgot a step here. I loosened this up here, and this assembly here that was pushed inside, it kind of went inside out on me, so that's just something to watch. I imagine we'll be able to push that back in. And then this whole thing just kind of comes out, leaving you like that. So the other side's gonna be the same thing. And we should be able to just push this back up under, yeah, just like that. So you see the top is still on right now. We'll flip that back in a second and show how that works. But so you wanna kinda work this Velcro off here and then try to work this out a little bit. And then over here, we can work this. Watch your fingers, boom, that's out. You actually don't even have to work the top much at all. You can just do that. All right, Jack, you wanna go inside and flip those back and show how easy it is to open the top, the two handles inside? So he's gonna go ahead and flip that back for us. So you can move the visors out of the way. And if you can kind of see what he's doing out there, go ahead and release that. Go ahead and do the other one once you get that one clear.
Wait.
It's clear. It's clear once it's loose. Huh?
It's very hot.
Well, it's 100 degrees. That's 80 degrees. That's done. You're unhooking. So same thing over there. Just pull that out of the way, off to the side. Pull down. There it is. It's just boom. That's it. There's nothing to it. Now, all you got to do is push up on this. Push up. It can be a little hard.
It's super
Push.
hot.
It's all right. Push up. Push up. Flip it back. There you go. And that's pretty much it without the top. Not a lot to it in the grand scheme of things. A little bit complicated with the quarter pounds, but that's it. Well, here we are driving down the road. You can see the top's up. It's not really that much different with the window open or closed. So overall, it's just about the same wind buffeting stuff. There's nothing you really have to do to store the top. You just flip it back. Jeep says to use the little Velcro fasteners, but I don't use them, and I don't think anybody does. So overall, it's pretty good. It's about the same wind either way. So
Please subscribe and like us today. Thank you.